I got a little clamp here. I'm just going to clamp the back of the shotgun just lightly onto the table so when I'm pushing on it, it's not going to fly all over the place. I think I got it now. Put this giant spring in here. I'm going to turn the camera just a little so you can see what's going on there. So loading the magazine spring. I'm going to put it inside the tube. Got it in the tube. Now I'm just ready to let it loose. So that worked out pretty good. Clamping the gun down definitely helped a lot because as you saw before, when I was trying to load the spring in, it was just pushing the gun right off the table. That did it right there. Now I think I got the secret. And I'll tighten this up. Mossberg, pretty smooth. Now I go ahead and put this magazine clamp on it. There's an indent on the tube where it's going to sit. Very faint, but it's enough there, I guess, to hold it. Keep it from walking back on you. So I don't want to tighten, put the screw in just a little on this side. I flip the gun over and do the other side. So my tips on the Mossberg is get you a tube to load the ginormous magazine spring and some kind of clamp to hold the gun down when you're trying to load that spring in the gun. Other than that, it's pretty much a civilized piece, but the magazine spring is kind of a beast. And I wasn't expecting it. I guess I just didn't think about it. But it's going to be, I guess, a pretty long spring to handle all that the load there.